Hi. This is the last in the series of 3 short videos about how to set up Photoshop CS3. And this is about the workspace. Now, the workspace the default workspace is this. And it has a single line for the toolbar. You can change that to a double. I like it better as a single. Um, you get used to it pretty fast because you're using those tools in here. Now, this is the new compacted um, views for the toolbars and the palettes. I'm sorry, it is the palettes. And basically, I'm just going to get rid of all of these um, because we don't need most of them. And I'm going to get rid of the colors here, and I'm going to get rid of the channels and the paths. And leave the layers. Now, um, I think if we compact this, it will go into individual ones, won't it? I guess let's try it right here. Yes, it will. So the only thing that I don't have here is history, so I go back up to Window and hit History. That's one of the more important ones, and let's collapse this down. And it has actions in there too. We can take the actions out and get rid of them. Well, we will be dealing with them, but not very much. And let's just see if we can separate this whole thing right here, and then bring it down under here to bring it back. Okay, great. So now we have the navigator, which gives us a picture of it and the histogram and the information, and we also have, oops, the, I can just tuck that one back in, and if you bring out another one, it's going to tuck that back in, and a lot of times you're going to have to bring them out like that as well, and I don't think it'll stay that way. Oh, it does, good. And then layers is pretty important as well, if we need layers. But now we can also just scrunch these, oops, I'm sorry, we can scrunch these back once we learn the names, and then this is how much the layers palette takes up instead of about half the screen. If you have 2 screens, it's probably easier to put them on the second screen, but which is what I always used to do before they have the collapsing palettes. But now on a widescreen, I just leave it on here, and it works out very nicely. So the only thing is that this will not save unless you save it, and so we want to go Workspace, Save Workspace, and then we want to put a name on it. I'm just going to put my name here, and now. Anytime we have Window Workspace, Default Workspace, like this, we can simply go into Window, Workspace, and then Neil. Bang. They have some other ones, as you could see, too. They have ones for this, all these different video and film web design, working with type and all of that. But I feel like that works really well, and it takes up very, very little room. And you can always get to them, the common ones from here and the other ones from here. The only other thing I like to do is I like to, and it won't do it until I get an image here, so let's just, but that is, I like to view rulers. That puts a white border around it, allows you to use the little guides and things. So nice little thing to use as well. But that's it.